picture a place when I know I'm alone.
I see.
A place when the earth and the sky are
I feel.
shaping my bones.
I create.
No need to hide, it's already mine, but nobody knows.
I capture the beyond.
I can scream for the top of this world.
In my world, there are no rules, no boundaries.
See more with the new Huawei P20 Pro. A new era of intelligent photography.
Huawei, make it possible.
Meet the Huawei P20 and P20 Pro. The smartphone designed to help you see more. That's because this is a professional camera powered by AI. One that sees the world in a whole new way. So you can too. Rain or shine. With extraordinary low light sensitivity, your photos in low light are now perfectly bright. And they keep getting better at night without a tripod. Hold it, hold it. Beautiful. And now you can zoom closer than ever before. With the power of AI, nothing moves too fast to stay in focus, even her. And it can turn a moment into an eternity. It knows which kind of scene you're trying to shoot. And the right frame, too. Perfect. That could be in a gallery. Anyway, with an array of built-in lighting modes, it's also like having a pro studio in the palm of your hand. With a battery that can finally keep up with you. So how's this all possible? With this, a professional photographer, all in one tiny chip. Mastering photography has never been so simple. It's time to see more.
The world's first triple lens smartphone with AI assistance. Photography will never be the same. The Huawei P20 Pro.